Hi, welcome to my channel again. And today's topic is what should I invest in my 20s? So I'm in my 20s, those of you if you didn't know, and I kind of wanted to give you guys from my own perspective, my own point of view, what should I be investing in my 20s? So let's dive in. You can buy stocks, right? The reason I'm saying you can buy stock is because now that it is very easy to buy and sell stock. You can buy ETF, you can buy index fund. Don't stay away from mutual fund. They're very costly and they take the fun out of it. But you can. But buying and the reason I'm saying buy stocks, this is me personally, and this is for education purpose only, right? It's because market is more exciting. At least you will learn how to kind of buy, sell, and then what to look for and when to, like, what companies to, right? Try to buy a company rather, because oftentimes we get very carried away with these fancy stocks, and then we can actually forget about the underlying value. Yeah, it is good to be involved in it, but make sure the stocks that you are picking, right, is decent, and there's a decent growth, right? There are different types, and then also identify yourself. What kind of investor are you going to be? So basically, know about yourself. Invest in your own kind of self process. It's not easy, right? Like, for example, for me, I am a dividend investor slash growth investor slash what I would call passive investor slash, like, literally all kinds of it. So basically, the way I now deal with my basically side is like I'm gonna be investing a little bit in everything, in every kinds of investment, because I don't like just one strategy, and I don't want to just go one way. I want to do multiple. I think there's a multiple ways, pick and choose, right? So you should identify and then basically start investing. So investing is key, right? We all are in debt, right? Student loan, right? Who doesn't have it, right? You're very lucky if you don't have it. I would say you're extremely fortunate and extremely lucky if you do not have a student loan and car loan in your 20s, right? Because as soon as we turn in 18, what we need, if you're not living in city, we need a car to go and come back from work, and once you get a car, then you're gonna probably register for classes, and obviously the money that you make you cannot just pay semester worth of money. Therefore, you're gonna have to take out student loan, right? And then slowly you're gonna be start going out. Therefore, you're gonna need credit card, right? So also start building credit card. That's very important. Make sure if you didn't get like a secure credit card, if you didn't get credit card approved, get a secure credit card. Very important. Start building your credit history with these companies, right? Because you will need to, if you want to get your own place, to buy a car, whatever, right? If you want to get a better deal, you'll need a credit score. That's how the banks basically gives you a loan. Okay. The next thing is invest in, maybe look into real estate REITs. They're pretty amazing. There are publicly traded ones. I'll give you one example. One. Federal Realty Income, and then sticker symbol O. So Federal Realty Income F. Hold on, it's called Federal Income Realty Trust. It's called basically federalrealty.com. You can just look up the symbol that they have is it's called Lily. One second. How do I pause? It's called FRT, and then there's another one, O, Realty Income Corporate. Really good read. So definitely look into those. If you don't want to be stock market tied in, maybe look in Fundrise or Diversity fund. I do have few videos on those. Okay. Excuse me. If you're not, if you don't, if you still haven't learned how to do your own investment, maybe it's basically lend your money as a robo-advisor. There are great companies like SoFi, Ally Bank. They all have robo-advisors. Even Charles Schwab has robo-advisors now. Betterment, Titan, Acorn. They're all robo-advisor. They'll do the investment for you. Okay. Do not wait so that you have enough money to buy basically the whole share. If you can, if you have like $10, put it in, right? $20, put it in. Just buy the fraction share. The idea is to learn at minimum, right? We all know we're not gonna become millionaire unless you play lottery or you were extremely gifted and you got whatever, right? If the investment is, it's kind of like one way to assure that without having all those skills, that we can still get rich, wealthy, however you want to look at it, right? So buy and buy. Okay, buy and hold. Once you have enough money, eventually probably look into like a forced saving, right? If you're really bad at it, right, maybe buy a house or something. That might really help some people, because right, buying a house is like a kind of forces a lot of people to kind of save, because eventually you'll have equity, right? That's something that I'm working in. I mean, I have one house. I'm gonna grow more, right? Real estate investment and house investment is two different things, but yeah. If your employer offers 401k, do not delay. Make sure you get that. Open that and start putting money in. It will help you. Trust me. By the time, let's say you're 18, by the time you hit 30s, you'll have a lot of money. Pay off your debt. This is very important, right? As much as you can, try to take less debt and keep paying off, or right? Understand what kind of debt you have and how they impact, right? Because you slowly, basically, if you have too much debt, then sometimes it feels too much. Try to continue to improve your skill in any shape or form you can, right? Whether attending classes like I do, I attend classes right now, seeking degree to certifications to mentor, whatever. Keep on investing in yourself, right? Is will kind of be very helpful. And the other ones that I would say is that don't forget to take a break, take a vacations. Many people don't say that, but vacation sometimes it actually will help you. Different places, going different places, you will see how people react and how they are investing network, right? It will kind of give you new perspective of life. So definitely, as a new people, right? New young in your 20s, we are in our 20s, right? Don't be afraid to kind of go and explore and definitely invest. Like, make this a priority. If you get $100 a day, right, out of that $100, minimum invest 10%, right, or save 10%, and then maybe invest 5% of that. But please, invest, because what we don't want to get in our 50s, 60s, and we have no savings, right? Having some saving, yeah, is better than nothing, right? Yeah, you might have debt, you might want to pay that off, but have some saving, right? Debt always be there, but without having saving and investment, it kind of sucks, right? So do that. All right, thank you.